good, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And today we have the Valentine's Day Air Jordan 4s. But before we get started with the video, I do have to shout out some shoes. We have the Bronx Girl Skate SBs. They're coming out end of January. Very dope shoe. Video is out, so make sure y'all go watch that if y'all haven't. And we also have the Dion Diamond Turf 2s. Make sure y'all go watch this video as well. And crazy thing about it, these actually come out on the same day as these Valentine's Day shoes. They both come out February 7th, so it's definitely gonna be some picking and choosing for sure this month. But before we get started, we're still on the road to 10K subscribers by December 31st, so make sure y'all keep shouting me out. Make sure y'all keep subscribing and sharing the page. Also, this shoe is very sentimental to me because I started my shoe channel on Valentine's Day in 2024. I did the Valentine's Day dunks, and that was my first video. So I always love reviewing the Valentine's Day shoes. I don't always really like them, but I like reviewing them. I just like Valentine's Day in general. But this is the box that it comes in. It's like a matte Sierra red box. It's not glossy or anything like that. You can pull the top off. I'm gonna show y'all the size tag. The size tag says Pale Ivory Sierra Red. This also is a women's release. They do have some Valentine's Day shoes for kids. That's also coming out. That's February 21st. So these are women's only. These are women's shoes, but they do come in toddler and preschool. They don't come out in grade school. But this is the paper. Have some kisses on it, some lips all over. And then it has that pale ivory color. Then it comes double wrapped. It comes with this as well. It also comes with this divider. Now, I will say I did not know that these shoes did not come laced up. And I think if we're paying like $220 for these shoes, a women's shoe at that, they definitely should come laced up. We're paying more, but not getting the full experience and quality that should come with the shoe. I don't think any shoe should come not laced, in my opinion. This also is the warning label that the red on here can bleed. So I would definitely not keep these shoes in a box, and I would definitely take care of these shoes. But ultimately, it'll probably bleed after a long period of time. But we have this pale ivory premium leather on the shoe. I think it's pretty nice material. Also have this red lining around the shoe, which I do like. And it's only right here, and then it comes across the toe box, and then it stops here. It's not on the back of the shoe at all. We have this plastic Sierra red eyelets. The wings are that pale ivory leather. I also do like the netting. I like the netting too. Same color, pale ivory, but it seems like a little more like sail, in my opinion. Kind of matches the laces. Then on the midsole, we have this metallic red color, which I do like. I think it adds a really nice touch. This is different. This like finish is different from the eyelets. It's different from the bottom of the shoe. This is the bottom. We have a Jumpman, and then we have both of those colors at the bottom. Then on the back, on the heel tab, we have a Jumpman, and then it also comes with this little cardboard divider here. Then we move to the tongue, got this Jumpman, embroidered Jumpman patch on the back. The tongue is also leather. It has that tumbled leather which I do like. It's some like soft details to the shoe that I do like. Like it's not really much to it, it's 2 colors, but yeah. So on one of the shoes, it has the Air Jordan on the tongue. And I'm gonna show y'all the inside. The insoles come like this, has those kisses, lips, then the Jumpman on both of them. But on the other shoe, the tongue is different. It has those kisses and lips on the inside of the tongue instead of the Air Jordan. It also comes with this. I'm guessing this is also to like protect the colors and leather since it will bleed. I'm gonna show y'all the insole. So it's the same thing on each side. The difference is on the tongue only. The left shoe has the kisses on it, and then the right shoe has the Air Jordan embroidered tag on it. Make sure you check for those details when you're getting your shoes. Some people are not getting them straight from Nike or whatever, so make sure you're checking for those details if you're getting it from like resellers or like boutique stores. It also comes with this hang tag charm. It's a heart with the Jumpman in the middle of it, which I do like. You can kind of feel the Jumpman. It's like layered. And it's plastic. So I do like that. My biggest question is like, are these gonna sell? Like I said, these do come out the 7th, same with the Dion's, and there's so many other shoes coming out. Like these do come out February 7th. They're coming out in extended sizes, so it'll probably go up to like a 15, 16 in women. So it's gonna be available to people, to men with bigger feet and also women who have small feet. I definitely think it's gonna be a lot of matching couples with these shoes because they're coming out a week before. The 6s come out on the 14th. So, you know, like people get their gifts before that, maybe take some Valentine's Day pictures. So I definitely think that they'll do good, but I just don't know that if they'll sell out for real. Like they might still be available a week or so after because there's just so many shoes coming out. It's also All-Star weekend. They have some All-Star ones coming out. Wolf Grays come out at the end of the month. Got the 4s, the kids 4s coming out, like I mentioned earlier. Basketball fans, got some Jaws, some KDs. So I think those type of people will go for the Jaws and the KDs. And the other basketball shoes is coming out as opposed to coming for this. That's just my opinion. I think if this shoe sell out, it's definitely just going to be for Valentine's Day and just couples matching. So good job to Nike for having this shoe come out early because that might help it from sitting. But also, bad job to Nike for just dropping so many shoes at one time. Like this is really a stacked month, like I said. Dion, 6s, Wolf Grays, the other 4s. Nike also has like 4 different Valentine's Day Air Force coming out, as well as like Romeros and other little shoes like that. Dunks as well. So it's just too much coming out. Adidas also have shoes coming out. Some people are not Jordan and Nike fans. They have a Bad Bunny collab. Also have a Valentine's Day Adidas. So it's just so many shoes coming out. Like it's really hard to choose. I think personally, I really do like the shoe. I think what sells it for me is this metallic midsole. That's kind of what I really like about the shoe. But other than that, I think I'm gonna pass because I really just want the Wolf Grays. I do kind of want the 6s, but I still have the 6s from when they last dropped. They're not really wearable, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna just go for Wolf Grays as opposed to getting these, but hopefully they do good and sell out. So this pretty much wraps up the review. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Again, still on the road to 10K subscribers. Make sure y'all go watch our latest videos. Definitely some dope shoes. And let me know if y'all are copping these in the comments, or if y'all don't, what shoe are y'all copping this month? I know a lot of y'all said y'all was saving y'all money because y'all spent so much last year, but it's just a lot of shoes coming out this year. A lot of good shoes. I doubt that y'all will be able to really save money like that. But again, thank y'all for watching. Peace.
Stripes when you beat the body in the studio. They say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal. Had to take my lick, watch me do my dab, hit a voicemail. I can't